Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's Coach Chris coming at you on Monday, June 16th, 2025. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon on a Monday, and that's Central Time. And just wanted to do a wrap up of the opening range trade we made this morning. Just superb, absolutely perfect. Um, this is a 5 minute chart of the MNQU contract. We just rolled over today into the September contract and the market had run up overnight, just like a steady climb. And I thought it was going to be a fake out, to be quite honest with you. And I thought we were going to head down just because of all the political BS going on in the world right now. But you can see right here, this candle right here is the 8:30 open. I'm on Central Time Zone, so that was the open. You can see this huge candle. And so the 15, I did take that in some other accounts, but this account specifically was the opening range breakout. And you can see, apologize if you hear some noise in the background. I've got some algos running, and those are probably some orders being filled. This is set up for a 15-minute range. The green line is the upper level of the 15-minute opening range. The blue dash line, the middle, and the red is the bottom of the 15-minute range. And the way that this particular trade works is, once we have a break and a close of this upper level of the 15-minute range, we enter on the next candle after the close. This is what I call the trigger candle. That's the candle that triggers the trade. It closed well above, the body of the candle closed well above the level of the 15-minute range. So we enter on the very next candle at the level which is the close of the body of the previous candle. And you can see here, the thing just went bananas with a continuation. It went up 70 some points, had about a 30-point pullback, and then kept going to eventually go up over 113 points. Now, you're not going to catch the whole trade. I understand that. You'd have been happy, say 50 points, not bad. Now, on the 5-minute breakout, which I did not take today because of this volatility, I will often not take the first breakout. I will normally look for a breakout and then a retest to either the top or the opposite. If it comes through, breaks the lower level, and then comes back, it will retest that level very often, and then that second break is usually the big one. But in this case, with the 15-minute, I will usually take, especially here when we had such an amazing breakthrough. I figured that this was going to continue up. We already had, quite a bit of momentum to the upside. And you can see now the rest of the day, market's going to close in about a half hour here. You can see how we've traded all up here in this range up here. Whoops, wrong. This is what I'm looking for here. You can see here, after this kind of settled down, we've kind of just traded up in this range, up and down, kind of hanging around this midpoint. Now, we had no news today, but the rest of the week we've got some big news coming up, so this doesn't surprise me that we're just consolidating here. I'm looking for some big trading days the next couple of days, and I will post some updates when they happen. So have a great rest of your day. Hope you all had a good green day today, and be careful trading this week. There's a lot going on besides the political activity going on in the Middle East and all the riots and whatnot. There's some big economic news, including an FOMC meeting later in the week, which is as big as they come. So you all take care. Bye now.